To add a new category, press on the settings icon, which is next to the bulk delete icon. Now press on Add Category. From here, you can now type in the name of the category, for example, salad bar. If you want to add another category, all you have to do is press Add Category, and you can add as many as you need to. Once you've added your category, you can then press Save. You will then be able to see it when you scroll through your categories. You've now created your category and it's visible for the customer to see.